Do you keep cash on your counter? I'm not talking about loose change or even a $20 bill. I mean part of your life savings. Do you trust it on the counter? I mean, you lock your house, right? So it should be secure? No. Reality is if you're leaving cash in the house, you typically store it in a locked safe. Layered protection, right? If we don't trust money behind only one security layer, why do we trust our data to be protected with one password? Welcome to our crash course, MFA 101. Like your safe, MFA uses multiple layers to secure what matters most, keeping your data safe from unauthorized access. This means that even if someone manages to guess your password, they still can't access your accounts, devices, networks without that second or maybe third security layer. You may have heard people use 2FA in the past, but nowadays more than 2 layers of authentication are recommended, going from 2FA to MFA. So, how does MFA work? Well, there are many methods you can use. 1, something you know. For example, you can set up security questions, like what's your mom's maiden name or the town you grew up in. 2, something you have. So this can be a smartphone app that generates a time-sensitive code. You can put in a phone number to get a text message sent to your phone, or an email to get an email code, or even a hardware token. 3, something you are. This involves biometric verification, such as fingerprint scans or facial recognition. These methods are becoming increasingly popular as they provide a unique way to verify your identity. And then number 4, logistics. Time and location factors. Basically, does this action make sense based on the time and location that it's coming from? For example, have you ever been on vacation, ready to buy your first souvenir, get up to the register ready to swipe your card and see a big fat decline on the register? Well, most likely you didn't tell your credit card company that you were traveling, leading them to flag your purchase location as a potential fraud attempt. The more layers you have, the better. Check all your accounts and applications and see if they offer MFA. Protect your banking information, online purchases, social media accounts, work information, and your identity by taking this one extra step. And together, we can secure our world.